Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and I'm the face and the voice behind all the videos under Infiniti Crafting Co. Today I am here because I have some not so happy news to share. So Marcelle over at One Virtuous Woman, she's a fellow crafty YouTuber. She's a fellow sister in Christ, and she was based out in California, and recently she has lost her home to the wildfires, and where her family and her children, they've all made it out safe. She is now displaced because of the fires out there, and I felt compelled to make this video because if I were in that situation I would want somebody to get the word out there. But she's not asking for help at this point, but as a movement, as fellow crocheters, as fellow crafties who have maybe learned from her, or who maybe just like her spirit and personality, we just want to get the word out there and get help out there. I'm going to be leaving the link to her channel down in my description box below, as well as her Cash App in case any of you guys feel it in your heart to donate to her cause. She will be in my thoughts and prayers, and I just hope to get this word out. I'll be sharing this on my other social media as well, so feel free to share this video, or if you have a platform, go ahead and make a video of your own. We're just trying to spread the word, and we wish her all the best. So that is all that I have to say for today's video, and until next time guys, happy making.